Hello. I'm Canon from Hong Kong. I'm planning for our next travel destination with my honey for my life memories before human leave. In this video, we're asking you, the viewers, which country should we travel to next year? Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time traveler, we want to hear your suggestions. If you have any recommendations, please let me know in the comments below. With so many great countries to choose from, it can be hard to decide which one to travel to next year. In this video, I'm asking you for your opinion. Which country would you recommend I travel to next year? Please leave your suggestions in the comments below. Each of us on the team has different interests and preferences, so it would be great if you could share which country you think we should travel to next year. Maybe you have a favorite country that you think we should visit, or maybe you have a country you think we should avoid. We want to hear from you. Thanks for watching.